Is your cat is dropping weight? Unintended weight reduction is often a signal of an underlying fitness hassle. Many proprietors suppose that weight reduction is regular for senior cats, however this isn't always the case. It's crucial to do so in case you be aware unexplained weight reduction for your cat. How to tell if your cat is losing weight? It is difficult to inform in case your cat is clearly dropping weight if it occurs gradually. If your cat has a number of hair or was barely overweight, then it may be more difficult to inform while weight reduction has occurred. To determine your cat's frame situation, begin through searching at your cat's frame from above. At an excellent weight, there need to be a tuck on the waist. This is important, however now no longer excessive. Next, run your palms alongside your cat's sides. The ribs need to be palpable with a skinny protecting of fat. If the ribs sense very outstanding and are visible, your cat is probably underweight. What causes cats to lose weight? In many cases, cats shed pounds while they may be now no longer ingesting enough. However, a few illnesses purpose weight reduction regardless of OK meals consumption. Depending at the purpose, weight reduction can also additionally or might not accompany different symptoms and symptoms of infection. Many fitness troubles can purpose weight reduction in cats, a few greater extreme than others. Hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is a surprisingly not unusual place infection that most customarily influences older cats. Cats with hyperthyroidism produce an excessive amount of thyroid hormone because of ingrowth of the thyroid gland. This growth is typically as a result of a benign tumor that grows at the thyroid. Common symptoms and symptoms of hyperthyroidism consist of weight reduction, accelerated urge for food, and accelerated thirst and urination. Some cats additionally revel in vomiting, diarrhea, and hyperactivity. Some will vocalize and act restless. Cats with hyperthyroidism can also additionally have coats that seem unkempt and greasy. Hyperthyroidism is dealt with radioactive iodine or oral medicinal drugs. Chronic kidney disease. Chronic kidney ailment is one of the maximum not unusual place ailments visible in senior cats. The kidneys produce crucial hormones, filter wastes from the blood, assist modify blood pressure, and facilitate the manufacturing of recent pink blood cells. When a cat's kidneys prevent functioning nicely, it ends in a number of different troubles. Increased thirst and urination are some of the first symptoms and symptoms observed while a cat has kidney troubles, observed through lack of urge for food, weight reduction, and lethargy. Chronic kidney ailment cannot be cured, frequently be medically controlled with medication, eating regimen change, and fluid supplementation. Diabetes. Diabetes mellitus is every other not unusual place disorder that could have an effect on cats. This endocrine sickness influences the potential of the pancreas to supply insulin, a hormone had to modify blood glucose. Signs of diabetes consist of weight reduction, accelerated urge for food, thirst, and urination, and lethargy. Diabetes is normally controlled with insulin and a eating regimen change. Other medicinal drugs can be used. Some cats may also return to regular after numerous months of remedy. Gastrointestinal problems. Any trouble with inside the GI tract can have an effect on a cat's weight. First, GI troubles can lessen urge for food. Second, a few troubles save you the GI tract from nicely digesting meals and soaking up vitamins, main to weight reduction. Some GI troubles visible in cats consist of intestinal parasites, inflammatory bowel ailment, pancreatitis, and different pancreatic troubles, or even cancers of the GI tract. GI troubles can also additionally purpose lack of urge for food, weight reduction, vomiting, diarrhea, lethargy, and greater. Treatment of GI parasites can be as easy as deworming the cat. Other GI troubles normally require medicinal drugs and supportive care. Dental problems. Oral and dental troubles can purpose excessive pain, lowering urge for food and main to weight reduction. Common dental troubles in cats consist of periodontal ailment, resorptive lesions, and teeth fractures. Some cats broaden stomatitis, a painful infection of a cat's mouth and gums that can be immune-mediated. Signs of dental troubles consist of horrific breath, drooling, pawing on the mouth, or maybe oral bleeding. The first step to remedy is for the vet to position your cat below anesthesia and do an expert dental cleaning, examination, and remedy as necessary. Some cats will want oral surgical procedure and/or teeth extractions. Cancer. Like people, cats can get most cancers pretty much everywhere of their frame. Cancer can also additionally or might not be visible with inside the shape of a tumor. Lymphoma is one of the not unusual place cancers visible in cats, and it may stay inside the GI tract, mouth, lymphatic system, and greater. Most types of most cancers will in the end purpose popular malaise, lethargy, pain, muscle wasting, urge for food loss, and ordinary weight reduction. Stress cats may be very touchy to adjustments of their home. Because they may be frequently superb at hiding outward symptoms and symptoms of strain, they are able to revel in larger signs and symptoms later on. Any environmental stressors can cause tension and strain for your cat. Reduced urge for food is a not unusual place signal of strain and could in the end cause weight reduction. There are some of different fitness troubles that could cause weight reduction. If your cat has an underlying fitness trouble, you can or might not be aware different symptoms and symptoms of infection. In addition, many illnesses have comparable signs and symptoms, so prognosis calls for a veterinarian. Treatment for weight loss in cats. The remedy for weight reduction in cats relies upon the purpose. If you be aware your cat is dropping weight, your first step need to be to agenda a vet appointment. Your vet will do a bodily examination first. Next, lab assessments and/or X-rays can be had to decide the hassle. Based at the findings, your vet can also additionally propose medication, eating regimen change, surgical procedure, or different remedy. If your vet offers your cat an easy invoice of fitness, then the weight reduction can be as a result of insufficient meals consumption or a few unknown or undetectable situation. Ask your vet for recommendation approximately feeding and environmental enrichment. If you could decide a supply of strain in your cat, begin through operating to lessen that strain. Your vet also can propose a eating regimen. This is proper in vitamins and calories, probably supporting your cat advantage weight. If your cat's weight reduction maintains regardless of adjustments you make, then ensure to comply with up together along with your vet approximately it. Your vet can also additionally refer you to a veterinary expert for superior diagnostics. How to prevent weight loss in cats. You can save you weight reduction for your cat through frequently tracking frame situation and journeying the vet frequently for well-being examinations. Cats are professionals at hiding infection and injuries, however your vet can be capable of discover a hassle earlier than it receives out of hand. Be positive to record any adjustments for your cat's conduct and your vet proper away. It is tons less difficult to deal with a fitness hassle with inside the early ranges than to attend till your cat turns into very ill.